only launch a JSON which contains all the states, local government, and the wards in Nigeria. He also writes about the challenges he faced and how he approached it and why he built this. And the good thing about it is that it is totally open source, and every developer can actually relate to this, that we do not have a centralized API or a place where we can see all the states in Nigeria with their local government and ward. I find this project very, very interesting, and it's actually solving a problem that could potentially make life easier for developers. And it is totally very easy. You can just basically host this data yourself in your own database, or host it on GitHub pages or anywhere you want. And the features that it has is that you can have an array of all the states, and this basically works in any programming language, JavaScript, Python, or even PHP. And then it also has the local government for each of the states. So for Kwara State, we have all of these local governments, and for wards in each of the states, we also have them. And it has the latitude and longitude for it, and it also has the local government with wards. So if you want to see all the ward in a particular local government, also have the full JSON whereby you can see the state, the local government, and the ward nested into it. And you can basically host this on GitHub, like I said, on Netlify, on Vercel, or even on your own cloud-based API. And you can basically work with this data by just making a fetch call to the data anywhere you host it, and then you can basically get the response. And these are some of the use cases for election, civic, apps, state, local government wards. You can make offline mapping and analytics, data validation. So I really like this idea, and so I went to Lovable last night and I came up with an explorer for it. So if you want to see this in action, you can basically go to this explorer. You can search for any state, local government, or ward in Nigeria. So let's say, for instance, you search for Ilorin, you will basically see all the result that matches it. So we have Ilorin East, and then when you click it, you are going to see the browse data. We have the state, we have the local government, and you can also select the ward. So if you select a particular ward, and since it has the latitude and longitude, you can easily come up with a map like this. So this is a map of that particular state, and when you want to change this, you can change it to any state. You can change it to, let's say, Kwara, Irekpodun, and then you can pick a particular word like this, and then you can check the map of that particular state like this. And if you want to work with Fetch API, you can basically just copy this code, and then this is the default JSON URL that you can work with, and there is a React version as well, and there's also an Assure's version that you can work with. So these are the list of the available endpoints, list of all the states to fetch the local government by state. You can also fetch all the wards. You can also fetch local government by ward, or you can fetch everything using the full.json. So you can check this out and let us know what you think. It is open source. You can contribute to this. This is also my own little contribution to the project. So let me know what you think in the comment, and check it out, and let's see how we can improve it.